so you guys can get to see the actual pixels on the screen. And I put the microscope here, and after zooming, look how the ink look under the microscope. Inside this bag, the cheapest microscope you can find in Amazon. As the time I'm recording the video, this will cost you $25 US. If you're interested, you will see the link on the description box. You can check it out after you watch the video, because in this video I will show you this microscope and explain how it works. In addition to this, we're gonna also show you some samples, how big things you will see using this cheap microscope from Amazon. And this is Right Stick. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and let's find out. Now let's see what's inside. First, we're gonna see the microscope itself attached with USB. And by the way, this microscope you can connect to your smartphone by using certain application, which is I'm going to show you right now how you do this. So this is the USB, and also we have a mount here. I'm not going to use this, I'm just going to show you that it comes with a mount, and also comes with USB-C adapter. So if you have a cell phone with USB-C, you should be able to use this adapter attached with the USB. And also if you have a Windows PC or Mac, also you can download a specific program and you get to display everything on the screen, which is I'm not going to do this, I'm just going to show you. This will be available for you, and they have also a CD drive. I don't think so I have PC or laptop that also reads CDs anymore. Now let me show you how the microscope works. We're gonna have two keys, one for snap so you can take a screenshot, and another key here for zooming. This will work only if you have a PC program. And also we have something like a volume control, but this to control the lights on the microscope. As you guys can see, we have LED lights. It's optional, you can use lights. I believe when you use light it will show you more clear image. And we have the USB. Now if we're gonna connect it to a cell phone, we have to attach the USB-C to the cell phone. Now in your cell phone you need to make sure you have one of the two applications they recommend in the manual, OTG View 2. I tried this one, it's not good because the screen, it dims by itself, it shuts off by itself, so I don't recommend this one. The best one I tested was the InScam. You find them on Google Play Store or Apple if you want to use Apple, but I'm not sure about the USB-C with Apple. I'm using Android on this video. Now what you need to attach the USB-C to your Android phone, right away we're gonna have the LED lights work. Now if I wanna make it more light or less light, I can adjust it with this control, as you guys can see. And also if you open the application here, you just have to allow for the first time, and the application, it must show you something like this. Now the head of the microscope has a lid, so go ahead and remove the lid, and now you are ready to use it. Now this microscope has the ability to go up to 1000x. The professional microscope you can go up to 4000x, which is 4 times more than this, but you will be surprised after you see things under this microscope. So for that reason, I'm gonna show you things. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Later on I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna reveal what we put under the microscope. Let me see if you can guess it. But first of all, we need to go and click record so that way we can display everything on the screen. Now if you wonder what it was under the microscope, that would be ink. I just draw something with the pen And I put the microscope here, and after zooming, look how the ink look under the microscope. What seems to me very hard even to guess the ink. It looks very nice, by the way. So let me go ahead and show you something else under the microscope. Now if you were wonder what it was, this is just only a cleaning cloth. Let me show you. And it looks so nice, by the way. You can see details you never seen before. Let me go ahead and check more things for you. I believe this one, a lot of people guess what it was. That is a phone under the microscope. Here you go, guys. So you guys can get to see the actual pixels on the screen. Beautiful. Let me show you one more thing. I guess some people has already guessed what is this, which is a knife, and you get to see how sharp this knife by looking to the knife with this microscope. Now, overall experience, this microscope only costs $25. In my opinion, this is a buy. You don't need a specific program or PC. Right away, you can connect to your smartphone. Has the ability to record, snap pictures. So absolutely worth the $25. And let me know what you think in the comment section below. I wish you guys enjoy and find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll see you in another video.